channel. I want to share with you a few items I picked up from the Dollar Tree. A couple of them are new items for me that I hadn't seen. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and share this with you. So to help me stay organized, I picked up these binder clips. I have some of the smaller ones, but I wanted to get the larger one, and there's a count of 8. So this will be great to keep some of your, you know, budgeting papers together if you're still a pen and paper person like myself. So I picked up that, and I also, this is something new I hadn't seen at Dollar Tree. Removable index tabs. Yeah, so to keep me kind of organized. So I picked up 2 packs of these. You get 12 in each. And my Dollar Tree prices are still $1 right now. And I got me some highlighters for my challenges. I'm getting low on highlighters, so I picked up these. There are 2, 4, 6, 8 in here. And I got my staple, got my Dove soap. I picked up 6 of those. So yeah. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I just wanted to stop by and show you some items that Dollar Tree has. You may be looking for some of these items. So yeah, I just like to share because you never know how you can help someone. So those are my 6 Dove soaps. And I had to put myself on a budget with Dollar Tree of $15 a week because I was out of control. Before I started budgeting, I was spending anywhere from $40 to $50 a week just picking up cute items that I did not need. And now that my journey has changed, I put myself on a budget, and the $15 a week is working out because this was only 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. And then I got 2 more items, so I spent $12 this week. And I picked up me a new bath sponge. So I only pick up items when I really need them. So that's the beauty of budgeting. And I picked up this egg container for my daughter. She's organizing her refrigerator. So yeah, $12. These are items I actually want or need. So yeah, $12. So stay tuned to see what items I picked up from Amazon. Hey guys, I've been shopping. I've been using money out of my Mrs Vee envelope, and I have $341 left. So the money that goes in my envelope is the money that is left over from my cash envelopes. So I decided to do some shopping this week. So yeah, remember, Mrs Vee is enjoying her journey. I'm not just putting money in sinking funds, investing, saving, and not enjoying any of my money. So yeah, I want to show you that aspect of my journey. So yeah, it's okay to spend your money. That's what we're saving it for, remember. So I love candles. Shout out to Kathy's Cash and Coin. She introduced this young lady to me. Stephanie over at On the Books Budgeting. I'll link her channel in the description box. Any channel that I mention, I'll have them linked in the description box. And yeah, so this is how she has it packaged very nicely. And I picked up me 2 candles because Miss V loves candles and she makes candles. So yeah, ooh, that's nice. I got the lavender citrus. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh. Oh, nice and fresh. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, if you want to make Miss... Oh, it's vegan. Okay, yes. I got another vegan candle over here from Dossier. The Gourmand White Flower. So, yeah. So, I may not even like this one. I may like one of them. I have 2 of them. So, yeah. So, check out her Etsy shop. I have 2 of them. So I want to treat myself to something, because you know this saving and investing and trying to get your finances right, it can get overwhelming. It does get overwhelming. So I have decided to enjoy the journey. I'm not gonna do like I did when me and my first started budgeting. We cut out everything and we couldn't figure out why we were miserable. That's because we stopped doing the things we enjoy. I'm reading her note. It's beautiful. So this is her card. Thank you for supporting my small business. I hope this small package makes your day. It does, Stephanie. If it did, please don't forget to tell me so in a review. I will. So yeah, that's all her information. There's so much inspiration for my small business. I'm getting all kind of ideas. So yeah, that's my 2 candles I got from Stephanie on the Books Budget. If I said it wrong, I'll put it in the video. So the second thing I picked up is this clear box, because I'm going to be doing the $1 challenge this year. I'm not going to do it this quarter. Remember, I said I'm going to change up my challenges each quarter. That way I don't get bored. And so I picked up this clear container to put my dollars in, and I want to see my dollars. So yeah, and I got this idea from Naturally Simone. I'll link the box that she has in her video, and I thought that was cute. So let me put some dollars in there so I can see. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get my key out so I can be able to get my dollar. Hold on. Let me get my key and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I had to figure out how the thing worked first. So it lifts up. The entire thing lifts up, but it's a lock on this side. So it has a key that comes with it. Of course, you unlock it with the key. So now it's unlocked. I can lift it up and get all my ones out. And yeah, so I'm gonna close that back down and put a 1 in here, $1 bill in here, so we can see how it's gonna look. Yes. Yeah, I like the fact that it's not gonna be folded, because baby, after doing that 100 envelope challenge, that was a lot. So yeah, so check out my Amazon storefront if you're interested in this one. And I'll also link the one that Naturally Simone has in her video. I like that one too, but I wanted a smaller one since I'm going to be changing up challenges each quarter. I felt like I didn't need the larger one that she has. So yeah, I got this acrylic box from Amazon. And the last thing I picked up is, you know, I'm a traveling respiratory therapist, so it's time for me a new backpack. So I had worn the one out that I have. So I'm going to move the camera around so you can see it, because I don't think I have enough room over there. So yeah. Let me see. This is my, nope, it's not enough room. So stay tuned to see my backpack. So this is the backpack. It's just a black backpack, and I like it because it's very roomy. It has this large pocket in the front. And then it has the zip around. I can put even more items. I like that it's organized. Got 2 pockets here, and I can put more items there. And let's zip this up. And it is like a quilted material, and it's cloth. And the main thing I got it for was the handles. It has the handles at the top. Handles at the top. And then, of course, you know, it's a backpack. And then has a zipper in the back, and I can put some items back there also. So it has a lot of compartments. I need this when I'm traveling because I have all kind of goodies with me. So you unzip the top. This is another reason why I got it. When you unzip the top, there's all your compartments. So I like to take my laptop to work with me sometimes, so I can put my laptop right here. And then whatever other items I can put right there in the smaller pocket. Then on the other side, I have 2 more pockets. So it's very organized. My other backpack is just open, one open area. You know, you just have everything right here in this one area. And I like this because this is more compartmentalized. So yeah, so this backpack, I know it has nothing to do with budgeting, but you know, this real life over here. We do more than just budget. We live life over here. So anything that, you know, I'm using, you know, I'm going to share it because somebody may be interested in it. So that's it. That's my Dollar Tree haul and my Amazon haul. So Miss V is enjoying her journey. Or make sure you're enjoying your journey so you don't get burned out. Every so many months, buy yourself something or do something nice for yourself. I'm telling you this because I got burned out in the beginning. That was before I started sharing my journey here on YouTube. So yeah. So that's it. That's going to conclude my video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need to get some things you want. I want all my ones to stand up like that. So hopefully when I get more of them, they'll be sitting in here like that. So stay tuned for this challenge. I'll start this one in April. Have a nice day.